Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook green onions. First, let's start with the basics of preparation. Always choose green onions with bright green tops and firm white bulbs. Give them a good wash under cool, running water to remove any soil. Then, simply trim off the root ends and any parts that look a bit wilted or damaged. This ensures you're starting with the freshest ingredients for your culinary creations. Now, let's talk about slicing, which truly impacts the flavor and presentation. For a more intense taste, slice the white and light green sections into thin, round pieces. If you prefer a milder flavor and a beautiful garnish, cut the dark green tops into longer, diagonal segments. Always use a sharp knife to achieve clean, consistent cuts, ensuring your green onions cook evenly and look fantastic in your dishes. Green onions are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can quickly sauté them in a hot pan with about 1 tablespoon of oil until they're just tender, which takes only a minute or two. For a fresh, pungent kick, add them raw to your favorite salads, salsas, or as a vibrant garnish. When adding to stir-fries, incorporate them during the final 2 minutes of cooking to maintain their delightful crispness and bright flavor. Keeping your green onions fresh is simple. You can store them upright in a glass with about 1 inch of water on your counter, where they'll stay fresh for up to 1 week. Another great method is to wrap them in a damp paper towel and place them in a plastic bag in the refrigerator. They're fantastic for enhancing the flavor of eggs, soups, noodles, and roasted vegetables, adding a wonderful aromatic touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.